Hi guys, Rick Damon here with Cowtown USA with a 2012 Exiss 3-horse with a 16-foot short wall, completely armor plated down the side, polished armor plating, dual hydraulic jacks, got your nice awning on the side of it. Let me kind of take you around here. It does have the what we call the super slide out. We can walk you back through here. See if I can show you this side. Put your nice mangers, your full escape door, your dual slide there on it. Alright, let's see if we can take you on the inside. Double wall, rubber lined, full stud divider. It's nice, 7'6" tall, pass-through door. I'll take you inside. 16-foot short wall with a super slide. Okay, so you got a couch makes into a bed, and a dinette over here into a bed, flat screen TV, and here's what the people like. They like that banister and that nice wide set of steps. You got a deep ceiling here, so you got lots of room, overhead room. Got storage there, storage all around the neck. Then I'll take you here. Couch gonna make a bed, dinette. Okay, dual stainless steel sinks, has a gas oven, more storage, cabinets, got your bigger fridge with the freezer and ice box on the bottom. Okay, let's see what we got here for storage. Okay, hanging, and more hanging closet. You can add shelves if you like, make a pantry out of it. Okay, then let's come in here. Okay, hanging closet there. That's pretty cool. Looks like saddle scrolling. Okay, got a vanity, nice vanity with a mirror. Let's step through here, soft touch door. Walk in here, 7'6" tall. Okay. Nice radius shower. Okay, what they call a pocket door, so you don't have to, let's see here. So you don't have to step back in anybody's way as you're passing through. Anyway, kind of give you a view here from the back to the front. A lot of walk around room. Give us a call, 573-885-6300, 573-885-6300. Big, nice wide banisters, all oak every place. I'll give you another view here before we part company. 573-885-6300. Thank you.